to come at you. But our Father will cover us with His blood, the blood of Jesus Christ. He'll fight our battle.